Hello students, let us continue with page number 81 part 2. Now in previous video we were discussing that Kailash Satyarthi was trying to explain to the audience who was sitting in front of him that how one person can also bring change. It may be a small change but can bring a change in this world. And actually he is appealing to the civil society, that if they will take this as serious, then definitely they can bring change in this society. Okay, now let us continue. He's telling that yesterday we saw that he was asking what one person can do, and then he told the story of that small bird, what the small bird thinks. She thinks that even she can bring the change, means she will do her part. Means what message he wanted to give us, he wanted to give us the message that we should give our part. हम लोगों ने अपना काम एटलीस्ट ठीक से कर लिया, हमने कोई गलत नहीं किया, then automatically we means this world will be a good place to live. Okay, so let us continue today. Now 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of the child labor, and it has happened. We did it. Millions of individuals did it. He said, don't think nothing is means we cannot do anything. Why he is telling everything, because that previous one he said that the children have the right to see the dream, right? And he says that we have done a progress. Means he says that many those people are working. These people have a lot of threats to their lives. Still they are working, and we cannot say that nothing has changed. Things have changed. They have bring not going school children to the half. They have changed 1/3. They have bring child labor to 1/3, and in that way many changes they brought. And he is continuing that same subject here. He is thinking he is telling that what a single persons can do, what we can do especially. He is talking about that. So he says that 18 years ago when we started rescuing the child laborers, okay, so millions of individuals, means millions of activists, child activists we can say, or activists, those who are working for the child labor. So these millions of activists all over the world, they march globally, means all over the world, they started working on the abolition of child labor. They started working to bring a law on the abolition of child labor. And today, if you know, United Nations, or we can say UNICEF, has made one law. In which year, now I don't have exact idea about that year, but UNICEF, UNESCO we can say, especially UNESCO has made that law that there should not, means child labor is a offensible act. It's a criminal act. Means if someone is forcing a child to do labor, then it is an offensible act. Okay, and that is why he says 18 years ago when we started to work on that, many people were saying that how it is possible, this is not going to, means it is not possible to abolish child labor, because many big people, many industrialists were involved in that. But many this activists, they walked across the globe, means they worked across the globe. They demanded an international law for the abolition of child labor, and finally they were able to do that. Understood? And that's what he says, ki even the single person will decide to do something, definitely we can bring a change. And this is what the change, the abolition of child labor is a change. We did it, millions of individuals did it, and millions of people, when single people all over the world, when they started working for that, they become millions. है ना, एक हर कोने में अलग अलग काम कर रहे थे, सारे मिलके मिलियंस हो गए, एंड उन्होंने वो कमाल करके दिखाया. they bring the law for child labor. Friends, we live in an age of rapid globalization. We are connected through the high-speed internet. We exchange our goods and services in one single global market. Thousands of flights every day connect us from the corner to one corner to the another corner of the globe. But there is one serious disconnect, and there is a lack of compassion. Let us inculcate and transform these individual compassion into a global compassion. Let us globalize compassion. What he says? He says 18 years before, when there was the means of communications were not so fast, at that time when we decided to do something, and we did that. But today we are living in a world, we are living in the world of internet. We are living in a world which is so fast. Today thousands of flights are connecting each other. No, the world is not very far now. Very far means world is in our reach. From one country to another country, if we want to talk to each other, we want to meet each other, we want to communicate each other, easily we can do that. Means there is no problem if we decide to work for something. That's why he is telling that. He says, we are living in the world of globalization, where the whole world is one single market, and we are connected with the high speed internet. With the help of internet nowadays, social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything is so fast that in a seconds, in minutes, we can say, if you want to send a message or want to aware the peoples about something, you can aware the whole world in a minute. The world is so fast now, and 18 years before, if we were able to do that, then why not today? He says exchange of goods and services in one single market. Thousands of flights every day connect us from the different corners of the world. Means if physically, if you want to go from one corner to another corner of the world, within a 24 hours, we can reach from one place to another place. We are here, America is here, and if you want to go there, in a 24 hours we can go there, we can come from there. Isn't it? The world is so fast, and still we are not able to. Now you might have understood why I'm focusing on that, or why he's focusing on that. He says everything is so fast. Then if everything is so fast, why these problems are still lying? Why we are not able to give justice to the children? This is a big question. The answer is, we are not able to give justice to the children because there is one, though we are connecting with each other, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Twitter, through Instagram, through so many things, maybe I don't know many of them. Though we are connecting with each other, but we are not able to connect the problems of the children. We are not able to solve the problems of the children. Though we are connecting, we are talking with each other. Why? The answer is very easy. The answer is, there is one very serious disconnect is there. हम लोग मिलने के लिए तो मिल रहे, but there is one disconnect. And what is that disconnect? That there is a lack of compassion. What? There is a lack of compassion. Nowadays we forget about compassion. Compassion is just a word nowadays. We do not even think about, say for example, if you are going from a road, and if you find that someone is fallen, means if someone is there in a very bad condition, or he was suffering with some of the injuries, made with some kind of accident, still we just look, we just go, we stop there, we see what happened, how it happened, who did it, when did it happen, everything we just inquire and we move ahead. है ना, कोई रास्ते से जा रहा है, समझ मान के चलो समवन कोई गिरा हुआ है, क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जाते देखते ऐसी भीड़ लगाते हैं और हम लोग वहाँ से निकल जाते हैं. अभी तो नाउअडेज वी क्लिक द फोटोज एंड वी send it on WhatsApp and Facebook and we do it viral. You see how bad that is, but we do not help them. The reason is why we do not help them, help that whatever person may be is there. Why we do not help them? Because we have the feeling that I don't have any relation with this person, he is some stranger one. We think that he is stranger and this is not my duty to help him. This is government's duty. Government will come and they will see, police will come and they will see, hospital means that whatever departments are there, concerned department, they will come and they will see. I just enjoy that and I move ahead. It is because I do not feel any I don't have the compassion which we lost that, and that is why it happens. इसीलिए ये हो रहा है, हम लोग के अंदर का वो सब कुछ चले गया. And that is what Kailash Satyarthi says कि there is a lack of compassion. Means in one area, even if you come to know that such tortures are been done with the small children, when you come to know, you say, oh my God, how bad it is, this is really very bad. But we do not do anything because we feel वो हमारा नहीं है, किसी और का है. That's why. And that is why he says, let us inculcate and transform these individuals into the individual compassion into global compassion. Just imagine the accident which we see and we do not help that person, but just imagine that you are coming from Bhandara and in between somewhere if you find कि a lot of बहुत भीड़ हुई है वहाँ पे and तुम लोग भी आते आते तुमने देखा, एक दिन तुम भंडारा से आ रहे थे, देखा कि वो गिरा, then you will take photo video सब we will take and you will go to home and in home also you will tell कि ऐसा हुआ था. मान के चलो फिर another 2-3 days के बाद ऐसे ही सब लोग ऐसे ही करके निकल के जाएंगे, देखेंगे जाएंगे. After 2-3 days again you are coming from Bhandara and again you find such kind of incidents and you get down from your and you just see, and if you find that your brother, your sister, your uncle or anyone very near and dear one to you are lying there, what will you do? You will start shouting, you will start crying, you will go and you will hold it, you will call police here, there. Why? Because we feel that person is mine, मेरा कोई है, लेकिन इसकी 4 दिन पहले जो गिरा हुआ था उसको मैंने देख के बेचारा ऐसे करके निकल गया. I did not think about that that person was also a human being. He is also or she is also a human being. I don't think about that. Yes or no? So that is why this is individual compassion. जब मेरा कोई है तो मुझे लगता है कि सब कुछ सारी चीज़ें उसके साथ गलत हो गई, बट दूसरे के साथ वही चीज़ होती है, then I feel कि no, this is not my problem and I pass away from that. And that is what Kailash Satyarthi is saying कि we must transform this individual compassion into a global compassion. Now there is a time to think, time to spread the global compassion. Understood? So I hope you understood that. See, a very nice lesson. It's big, but it's very good. Okay, and especially this has made for the small children, so you have to try to understand the feelings what Kailash Satyarthi wants to express. Okay, so let us stop here. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.